AI video creation is growing very fast and new tools are making it easier than ever to create cinematic videos using AI. And one of the latest platforms in this field is Hicksfield, which introduced Cinema Studio 2.0, a powerful AI video generator designed for cinematic AI filming. With Hicksfield Cinema Studio, creators can generate cinematic scenes, control camera movements, and turn simple prompts into cinematic AI video content. In this video, I will demonstrate my complete workflow using Hicksfield Cinema Studio 2.0 and show how cinematic AI videos can be generated step by step directly inside the platform. Alright, now let's dive into the process. First, I am opening my browser and simply searching for hicksfield.ai. Once you see the official website, go ahead and click on it. So this is the Hicksfield official homepage. You can see there are a lot of things going on, but in this particular video, we are going for Cinema Studio 2.0. So let's navigate there. You can see option is here. Click on this. So this is the main workspace where we will be generating our cinematic AI videos. And one more thing, all the process will be done inside the browser, and this makes it super convenient for every creator. Now once we are inside Cinema Studio, the first step is to set up a scene. Here we can choose our camera settings like the sensor, lens, focal length to get the cinematic look. Then we just type in your prompt to describe the scene that we want, hit generate, and the Hicksfield AI will create a hero frame for us, and this is the hero image that we will use as a foundation for our video. So the first thing we have to do is set up our scene. So we have to select our camera, lenses, etc. Let me show you how we can do that as well. So just click on here, and as you can see there's a lot of cameras. Let me show you one by one. Studio Digital, Grand Format 70mm film, this one is also good one, and Full Frame Cine Digital, this is also a good camera, and Modular 8K Digital. And there are also a lot of cameras, you can use any of them, whichever you like. So for this particular movement, I am going with the Grand Format 70mm film. And for the lenses, there are also many lenses: Premium, Modern, Prime, Classic one, 70s camera, and Extra Micro. If you want like micro shots, you can use this as well. So what I'm going with is Creative Tilt lens, this one is good one, and here you can select the focal length you want. So I'm going with the 50, and you can also select the aperture you like. So I'm going with this one as well. So now our camera setup is ready. Now all we have to do is write a prompt. So for the prompt, I have an idea which I have already told to GPT, and he gave me the prompt. The idea is simple. So I'm going with classic 1v1 with Dr. Doom versus Iron Man. So let's create image with them. So now all we have to do is write a prompt, and don't worry for that as well. I have already written the prompt with ChatGPT. I will just go to the GPT and copy the prompt that I have already created and paste it here. Also, if you look at bottom, there are a lot of options. Let me explain you all this one by one, and believe me, this is easy, not a complex thing. So the first option we have is grid, and this is one of the most useful features. This allows you to generate multiple variation of the same scene at once. For example, I can select 2x2, 3x3, 4x4. This helps me explore different compositions, camera angles, and visual styles quickly. It also makes it easier to select the best hero frame before converting into video. This feature is very useful for storyboarding and refining the cinematic look. And this is prompt section, you already knew about it. We just have to describe our scene, for example, character, environment, lighting, cinematic style, and the more detailed the prompt is, the better cinematic result the AI will generate. And this prompt becomes the foundation for both images and video generation. Also, this option is for resolution and quality. Here I can select the resolution of a generated image. Higher resolution provide detailed and better cinematic quality. This is very important because the higher quality images produce better video and better results later. So here I am going with 2K. You can select 4K as well, but I am going with 2K. And there is also 1K option. If you want this, you can choose it as well. So for the number of images, I have selected 2. For the resolution, I have selected 16:9, which is for the YouTube, and you can also select more higher variation, but I'm going with 16:9, and my quality settings are in 2K, and the grid is 1:1. So let's hit the generate button and let's see what's coming next. Now the image has been successfully generated using Hicksfield Cinema Studio. As you can see, the image quality is very high and detailed, and it has cinematic quality, and the lighting looks realistic, and the reflection and shadows are properly balanced. Also, the character placement and composition also look very cinematic, which makes it easy suitable for the professional AI video generation. And for the background, environment, and the depth of field are well generated, and all these things will help to create a realistic cinematic scene. Now we will use this image as a hero frame to create cinematic AI video using animation feature. But before that we have to create some more images to make our video more interesting and fascinating. So let's just create another image. So for the other image I will not change anything in the settings. I will just change the prompt. So just delete the prompts here and go to the GPT and get the new prompt and paste it here and hit the generate button. And as you can see, the second image is also ready. And oh my god, this looks so realistic and dramatic. And using this method I have created other images as well, and this one is my favorite. And there is also option called angle. If you click here, there are a lot of options right here. The first thing you can do is hold your mouse over here and you can rotate the whole thing as you want. And if you want to use toggles, there are 3 options right here: rotation, tilt, zoom. Let me explain you all this. So these features allow me to change the camera angle around the scene. I can rotate the camera and preview in different cinematic perspective, and this helps me choose the best camera position before generating the video. And this is one of the best things. This gives me more control over the cinematic composition and storytelling. Also, if you don't have any ideas or time to brainstorm anything, you can click here, generate from 12 best angles, and the AI will automatically generate 12 best frames according to your image. So now as you can see, Hicksfield Cinema Studio 2.0 has created multiple images of the same frame in different angles. As you can see, this one is right from the top, and this is from the bottom, this is from the lower. Okay. And the quality of the images are very good, and this has also maintained the consistency, which is the most important thing in cinema. So now all our images are ready. Now let's move to the fun part and create something crazy. Okay, so now to create video, click on the video section, and here you can see a lot of options. Let me explain you one by one. Here I can select the input for the video generation. I can upload an image or use the generated hero frame, and this will be used as the base for cinematic video creation. And here I can select the motion mode, automatic mode. Auto mode automatically creates cinematic camera motion based on the scene. This helps to generate smooth and professional cinematic animation. Also, you can customize it. There are a lot of options. If you want any specific thing, you can also select it. And the next is camera control. Camera control allows more precise control over the cinematic movements. This helps to create professional camera similar to real filmmaking. And there is also option add characters. I can also add characters into the scene. This helps to create more dynamic cinematic storytelling. Also, there is an option called add dialogue. We can add dialogues to the character. This allows AI to generate cinematic sequences with character interaction. Like if you want them to interact with dialogues, you can also add that. And the next is duration. Here I can select the duration of the cinematic video. Longer duration allow more motion and storytelling. And this totally depends on you, whatever length you want. I'm going with 10. And there is speed ramp control, how fast and slow the camera moves. For this I'm also going auto, and you can also customize this if you want. This helps create dramatic cinematic effect and smooth motion. Also there is an option single shot, multi shot. You can choose if you want any of them. I have selected multi shot auto. Okay, so I have uploaded all the images and start frame, end frame. So now I will click generate to create the cinematic AI video. Hicksfield will now animate the image and generate cinematic camera motion. This converts the static image into a cinematic AI video. And these are the results we have.
This party was this, sir.
So this demonstrates the complete cinematic AI video generation workflow using Hicksfield Cinema Studio 2.0. From image generation to camera control and video animation, everything can be done directly inside the platform. You can check the link in the description to access Hicksfield Cinema Studio and learn more about the cinematic AI video creation. And if you are a serious creator and you want to use AI in your daily life, you can check out the subscription. They have monthly, yearly subscription. If you want, you can get them as well.